everybody, it's nice to see you again in my channel, Riris Oktasari. I'm Darmanindia Oktasari. I'm an English teacher of SMPK Widyatama Batu. And today we will learn about what time is it. That is for 7th grade. Are you ready to study with me? If you are ready, please be sure to pay attention to the video. You can take notes, and if you have questions, you can ask me later. Okay, let's start studying. Okay, what time is it? It is a very important thing for us to learn. Why? Because people usually ask time as a symbol of politeness. Okay, so our learning objective today, the first one, the students learn how to tell the time. And the second one, the students learn to tell about their daily routine. Okay, are you ready? Now, asking the time. Usually people will ask, what time is it? What is the time? Okay, or in more polite ways, you can say, could you tell me the time please? Okay, and the third one, usually people relate it to an action. Okay, people relate it to an activity. For example, what time do you go to school? Okay, or you can use when. When do you have breakfast? Okay, so you can use activity. You can use an action. Okay, now the question is, what do we need to know if we want to tell the time? Okay, can you guess? The first one, of course, we need to know about cardinal numbers. I hope you remember about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. You can learn on the next slide. The second one, we need to know about the English hour clock system. Okay, because it is different from Indonesian. Okay, the next one, the third one, we can also learn about time division of the day. You have morning, you have noon, you have afternoon, you have evening, and so on. You need to know about it. And the next one, we also need to learn about the use of a clock, past, and to. It is very important. Okay, in short, when you tell the time, you can say it is 5 o'clock or it's 5 o'clock. Okay, it's easy, right? The next one, you can also say the time is 5 o'clock, the time is 6 o'clock, and so on. The next one, you can also tell about the action. The class starts at 7 o'clock. She goes to school at 6 o'clock. Okay? Easy. Okay, I think you can do it well. Now, you can learn also about cardinal number. This is what I told you before. Okay, so you need to learn about cardinal number, to mention about the hour, to mention about the minute. Okay, so please learn about cardinal number. It is very easy. The next one, we can also learn about hour clock system. In Indonesia and in English spoken country, it is different. In Indonesia, you use 24-hour clock system. Okay, from 0 to 24. But it is different from the English speaking country. They only have 12-hour clock system from 0 to 12. But then they have AM and PM. Okay, get the point? You will also learn about the use of AM, which is used for morning, and you will also learn about PM, which is used from midday to midnight. Okay, it is all fun thing to learn. Okay, we can also pay attention to this one because it is very important, AM and PM. Okay, we divided the day into two parts, AM in the morning, okay, and the next one PM from midday to midnight. What is AM? AM is ante meridium, okay. You can check on the slide later. The next one, what is PM? PM is post meridium, after midday, okay. The next one, we also need to know about 7 division of the day. Okay, just let me say in short, you have morning, you have noon, you have afternoon, you have evening, you have dawn, and so on. Okay, please pay attention because you will follow, you will follow the hour, and the next one is the time division of the day. Okay, so I hope you pay attention to this time division. Okay, now the next part, this is the last part that we need to know about telling the time in English. Okay, what do you say? What to do with a clock? What to do with a quarter? What to do with half? Okay, what is it? You will learn about it later. Okay, I hope you can enjoy my explanation well, and I hope you can understand it. But if not, if you have question, you are always welcome to ask me any question. Okay, just write down something on the comment box and I will try to answer your question.
So, how to tell the time? We will learn how to use quarter, half, and a clock. We also learn how to use past and to tell the time. The first one, when the minute arm hits number 12, we say o'clock. Example, 1 a.m. it's 1 o'clock in the morning. 11 a.m. it's 11 o'clock in the morning. But when we have 7 p.m. it's 7 o'clock in the evening. 10 p.m. means it's 10 o'clock at night. Okay, now we will learn what to do if the minute arm hits other number rather than 12. We can function the use of past and to. Use past to mention the minute arm starting from the first up to the 30th minute. Use to mention the minute arm starting from the 31st minute to 59th minute. Okay, and here is the example. Use past to mention the minute arm starting from the first up to 30th minute. 8:15 a.m. means it's 8:15 in the morning, or it's 8:15 in the morning. 8:15 p.m. means it's 8:15 in the evening. It's 8:15 in the evening. Let's go on. When the minute arm hits 30th, 6:30 a.m. is 6:30 in the morning, or it's 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 p.m. means it's 6:30 in the afternoon, or it's 6:30 in the afternoon. The next one, 5:20 a.m. means it's 5:20 in the morning, or it's 5:20 in the morning. 5:20 p.m. means it's 20 past 5 in the afternoon, or it's 5:20 in the afternoon. That's the use of past. Please pay attention that we use minute before the hour. Now let us use to tell the time. We use to mention the minute arm starting from the 31st up to the 59th minute. 7:45 a.m. means it's 7:45 in the morning. It's 7:45 in the morning. 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. 7:45 p.m. means it's 7:45 in the evening. It's 7:45 in the evening. The next one. 5:55. It's 5 to 6 in the morning, meaning there will be 6 o'clock in 5 minutes. We can also say it's 5:55 in the morning. 5:55 p.m. means it's 5 to 6 in the afternoon, or it's 5:55 in the afternoon. Okay, when we use to, please pay attention. You will talk about the next hour. How many minutes to go to the next hour.
Okay, we have learned about the first learning objective, that is the students learn how to tell time. Now we will learn the second objective. The students learn how to tell about their daily activities or daily routine. Okay, are you ready? Because it is something that you do every day from the morning up to night. Okay, let's pay attention. Time and our daily activity. So usually we have this kind of schedule. Okay, do you have it? What time do you do something? What time do you wake up? What time do you have breakfast? What time do you go to school? What time do you do something with your friend, with your family? Everybody will have what's so-called schedule. You have the time, you have the activity. Okay, now please read very carefully about the schedule that I gave you. Okay, maybe it is the same as your schedule. Okay, the next one, I gave you some example. Okay, 11 o'clock, for example, 11 o'clock, and I have the boy named Donnie. Okay, Donnie, as you can see, he plays Lego. Okay, so the question is, what time does Donnie play Lego? Okay, the answer is Donnie plays Lego at 11 o'clock. Easy, right? Okay. Now the second question. Please guess. Okay. For example, I am Donnie. What time do you play Legos? What time do you play Legos? Okay, please answer. Okay, some people answer. Now, I play Legos at 11 o'clock. Okay, the second example, pay attention. Okay, second example, 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. I don't know. Okay, the question is, have dinner. Okay, what time does Donnie have dinner? Okay, Donnie has dinner at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, the next question, what time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, get the point? And this is the last example. Okay, what do we have? At 9. Okay, go to bed. Okay, go to bed. What time does Donnie goes to bed? Please answer me. Okay, Donnie goes to bed at 9 o'clock in the evening. Okay, or you can say at night because it is bedtime. Okay, the next one, what time do you go to bed? Oh, I go to bed at 9 p.m. in the evening or at night. Okay, get the point? So if you pay attention to the example, you will see this table. You have the subjects. You have they, we, I, you, he, she, and it. Okay? From the verbs, from the action, you have they eat, we eat, I eat, you eat. But you have he eats, she eats, it eats. So you can group, okay? You can group it. They, we, I, you, using verb 1, no S. And he, she, it, using verb plus S. Okay? That is all about daily routine. And I think it is very easy for you to do. Okay? I hope you can learn English better by watching this video. Don't forget, if you need explanation, if you have question, you can always contact me on my channel. Okay, so please be sure, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.